Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on this video saying I subscribed. Let's get into it.
According to latest reports, Malaysia will take a decision in the coming months for the initial acquisition of 12 light combat aircraft by 2022, with an option for additional 24 fighter jets in the future. According to experts, Pakistan will fail to grab the tender, as Malaysia plans to link the aircraft deal to the purchase of palm oil, and as India is one of the largest buyer of Malaysian palm oil, India could very easily meet the country's demand. In a bid to boost its chances for the aircraft deal, India has also offered to buy MiG-29 fighter jets from Malaysia. The Malaysian MiG-29 fighters are approximately 23 years old, and Indian Air Force will upgrade it to the latest UPG standard, and the upgrade will cost $13 million per aircraft, while a new MiG-29 aircraft can cost up to $22 million, thus saving $9 million on each aircraft. It will be a wise decision, because these fighter jets will have more strength after the upgrade, and they will serve the Indian Air Force for the next 15 years, and will fill the gap until the Rafale fighter jets and the 5th generation fighter jets come into service. The Indian Air Force has successfully tested a 450 kg smart anti-tank guided system through its upgraded Jaguar fighter aircraft. 2 upgraded Jaguar fighter jets dropped the guided systems on a dummy tank brigade, and the target was achieved successfully. The upgraded Jaguar aircraft can carry 6 such systems, which can be used during day or night conditions, and even in adverse weather conditions. According to latest reports, the Indian Ministry of Defence has issued a new policy to allow domestic defence companies to self-certify the quality of products that it supplies to the Indian Armed Forces. The move is an apparent response from the Defence Ministry to address the growing concerns about the quality of indigenously produced defence equipment. The status of self-certification will encourage the manufacturers to assume direct responsibility, and will also sustain and improve the standards of quality. The Israeli anti-drone system specialist Skylock Group is exploring the sale of its systems to India. The Israeli firm has offered to sell its latest systems for securing Indian airports from unauthorized unmanned aerial vehicles, as they pose a major challenge to airport security and safe flight operations. According to latest reports, the navies of India and Singapore have started their bilateral naval drill in the South China Sea, and the drill will be conducted till the 22nd of May. Indian naval ships INS Kolkata and INS Shakti are taking part in the bilateral naval exercise along with P-8I maritime aircraft, while the Singapore Navy is being represented by RSN Steadfast and Valiant, F-50 maritime patrol aircraft and F-16 fighter jets. After wasting around $100 million, Pakistan has stopped the exploration mission at the coast of Karachi because no oil reserves were found, and 18 failed attempts have already been made in the past. The bad news of the failure came as a big blow to the Pakistani Prime Minister, who had already celebrated its expected discovery, and had said that Pakistan would not need to buy oil from foreign countries.